We started this CLIMAAX journey more than 2 years ago. And at that time we were mainly working with technical experts, developing a lot of data sets for different hazards. And I think that over the years, working with first the pilots and now the regions, we start to learn what's really needed for people who work on the ground in municipalities at higher resolution.
We have an action that it is a financial support for these third parties. We have 69 applicants and implementing parties from 23 countries and 54 regions. This is really something that the project has accomplished very well, widespreading this help, this support to get a full picture of what is the adaptation from a climatic point of view on the entire Europe.
Seeing that the reality in the field is much different than the common practice, we are working hard to get to know the regions. We make the tools in a way that they can be used by them, but also learn from the regions what is really needed on the ground, what is their reality, which difficulties they are facing.
The idea of CLIMAAX, which is quite a flagship project, is to work on increasing knowledge on climate adaptation, but at the beginning of the adaptation planning cycle. So it's about making a framework that works for assessing climate risk at the regional level. Then to make this framework operational, to make a toolbox really to assess the risk. And then, because the mission is always trying to take the science and put it really into application, really the idea here is to fund at least 50 regions to apply this framework by really assessing the risk. Without knowing the risk we have to adapt to, adaptation is going nowhere.
So we start to refine, and I must say it's really a process of co-learning and co-development in that sense. But I'm also impressed by what's happening now. So they take the responsibility for their own work. Of course, they get the funding, but it also means that they need to deliver.